Have you ever wondered how to fix a flat tire? Being prepared is the most important thing we must do first. Let's start by reviewing the tools we'll need to complete the task. A marker or markers, 2 tire levers or chopsticks, sorted wrenches, a replacement tire, a clean rag, lubricant, tire repair kit, an air pump, a bucket of water. First, let's open the valve to release any air left in the tube. We can now grab our tire levers and get the tire off the rim. Starting by inserting the tire lever into the tire bead. Lift firmly until the tire pops off the rim. Grab your second lever and use it to continue removing the tire bead from the rim. You can go all around the rim with the lever. Now we can remove the inner tube from the rim. From here, we can now assess the inner tube for holes or punctures. This is also a good time to check the inside of the tire to look for anything that could have punctured the tire or ripped the tire. If you find the object, then remove it and check how bad your tire is damaged. If there is a big rip or tear, then your tire will need to be replaced. We need to put some air into the tube so we can assess for punctures. Grab your air pump and inflate the tube 2 times bigger than normal. Now you can grab your bucket with water and submerge the tube into the water. You want to look for air bubbles as you turn the tube under the water. Great! You found the leak. Use your marker and draw a circle. Alright, we found our leak or leaks. It's time to repair the tube. Dry off the area with a clean rag. We need to clean the surface of the tube by scratching it with sandpaper or the scraper that usually comes in your patch kit. Wipe it clean. If you have alcohol, you can really clean the surface of the tube and then let it dry. If your patch kit comes with glue, now is the time to open it and spread a small amount of glue over the puncture. Spread it evenly over a larger area than the puncture. Let it dry until it's tacky. Don't rush this. It will affect the glue. Don't touch the glue with your hands. The oil from your fingers will not let the glue work properly. Now we apply the right size patch to our puncture. Apply firm pressure over the whole patch. Pay close attention to the edges. Wait at least 1 minute before you stop applying pressure. If you only have large patches, you can cut them to smaller sizes, so you have more patches for the future. We are now ready to reinstall the inner tube back to the rim. The process is the same as removal, just work backwards. There we have the tire repaired. Let's test it out. Inflate the tire to the right air pressure for the tire. Don't overinflate your tire. This can cause punctures too. Looks great. If you do not have access to an electric air pump, you can use a manual air pump, like a hand pump or a foot pump, to inflate the tube. Now we just reinstall the tire to the frame and we are ready to ride another day. Remember to recycle any used materials and make your new riding kit. So if this happens again to you on the road, now you have the means to repair it right away. And that's the ending for this video. I hope you ride safe and have great journeys. See you next time. Tire, tire. Rim, rim. Inner tube, inner tube. Tire lever, tire lever. Patch, patch. Puncture, puncture.